వెల్కమ్ టు టుడేస్ ఎపిసోడ్. ముందుగా తెలుగు వారందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Today I am going to prepare one of the famous curry, Brinjal Pakoda fry. Come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are brinjal, green chilies, chopped onions, curry leaves, ajwain, turmeric powder, half cup rice flour, 1 cup basin flour, required amount of baking soda, red chili powder and salt, dry red chilies, white ora dal, cumin seeds, chana dal and mustard seeds. Take a food bowl and add basin flour, add rice flour, now add required amount of salt, pinch of baking soda, ajwain, small amount of cumin seeds. Now add required amount of water. Now mix it well. Now start preparing pakoda. Drop the balls into the hot oil. Stir it occasionally until it gets light golden color. Once it gets fried, now transfer into a bowl. Cut the pakoda in a required size and keep aside. Take a frying pan and add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, mustard seeds, add chana dal, add white ora dal, stir it on a low flame. Now add cumin seeds, chopped onions, combine it well. Now add green chilies, curry leaves and mix it once. Now add chopped brinjal pieces. Mix it once. Now cover with lid and cook it on a low flame. Now mix it once. Now add pakoda. Combine everything. Now add required amount of salt, red chili powder, and mix everything. Now switch off the flame. The brinjal pakodi is completed. Now transfer this brinjal pakodi fry into a serving plate. You can enjoy this brinjal pakodi fry with rice and chapati.
Thanks for watching today's episode.